The Kryptonite Fahgettaboutit? The FoldyLock Forever or TiGr Mini? Perhaps the Hiplok Gold or the Bordo Granit XPlus? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 bike locks available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 bike locks. The 5th product on this list is the TiGr Mini. Bikes are valuable and one of the most often stolen pieces of property across the world. In order to keep yours as safe as possible, you need to invest in a high-quality bike lock that will make the jobs of thieves much more difficult. As most bike thefts happen during the day, the more time they have to waste getting your lock off, the more likely they are to simply give up and look for easier pickings. The TiGr Mini heavy-duty bike U-Lock is a disc-style lock cylinder that comes with 2 keys. A push-button U-Lock bike's bolt feature is also included. No keys required to engage U-Locks. This titanium loop and lock are sturdy, which is sometimes all you need to keep a potential thief away. It fits around most frames and wheels, especially if the front wheel is removed and locked to the back wheel. Many people like this lock because of its lightweight, portable design, which provides more security than a cable lock. If the bulk and weight of U-Locks and chains bother you, the TiGr Mini shines. At 1 pound, you won't notice the extra weight of the lock, whether it's mounted to the frame of your bike or in your backpack. It doesn't get much easier to use than a lock and key, and this lock certainly delivers in that regard, as the locking mechanism is high quality and simple to use. For those who struggle with pat your head and rub your stomach activities, removing the lock may require a learning curve because you'll have to squeeze and pull simultaneously to release the lock and squeeze and push to reattach it. Nonetheless, the manufacturers are confident that you will pick it up quickly and enjoy the convenience of such an easy-to-use locking device. If you want more security than a cable lock but hate the weight of other U-Locks on the market, this lightweight option could be the answer to your lock dilemma. Its pros are: it comes with a free mount clip and holder that is straightforward to install and fits snugly on your bicycle as you ride. It has a pretty user-friendly design that's intuitive to use, and it has a PVC coating that protects the bike frame from scratches. However, its small size limits what you can lock your bike to. The TiGr Mini is an extremely neat and lightweight lock for bike enthusiasts. If you want more security than a cable lock, but don't like how heavy other U-Locks are, this lightweight option might be the answer. Up next in 4th place is the Bordo Granit XPlus. This is a strong bike lock with a 1/2-inch parabolic shackle, a sturdy lock body, and a locking mechanism supporting elements made of specially hardened steel. It has an innovative patented power cell technology that effectively protects your motorcycle from hitting and pulling attacks. It employs the manufacturer's XPlus cylinder, which displays the red card to lock-picking thieves. This high-quality U-Lock comes with 2 keys, one of which is an LED torch key for locating the lock barrel in the dark. This bike lock is one of the most secure folding locks on the market, earning a Gold Sold Secure rating. It's simple to use, has a sizable lockable area, and includes a well-designed bike mount. As a result of such exceptional security, the weight is significantly increased. This lock weighs slightly more than other folding locks and most gold-rated D-locks. What's more, this lock has a lockable area of 67 square inches, which is significantly larger than most products. When combined with this folding unit's flexibility, this lock is far more versatile than a regular D-lock. Overall, this bike lock provides all of the attributes you need to keep your property safe no matter where you are. Its pros are: it has a soft touch coating on the bars and a matching silicone lock body cover to protect the bike's paint job. It comes with an code card for ordering additional or replacement keys, and it uses versatile folding technology that offers a fantastic range of locking options. However, at nearly 5 pounds, it's pretty heavy compared to other bike locks. The Bordo Granit XPlus is a heavy-duty device for cyclists in need of a super secure folding bike lock. Still haven't found a bike lock that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the FoldyLock Forever. CD-Lock's newest addition to its line of high-quality folding bike locks is the FoldyLock Forever. With its thick hardened steel plates, this product is one of the most secure folding bike locks on the market, while remaining as portable as other models. When it comes to security features, it's clear that this manufacturer didn't take any chances with this lock. For starters, those high carbon steel plates are 0.256 inches thick, which significantly improves the security of this lock when compared to pretty much any other folding bike lock on the market. It also has a thick washer that sits around the outside of its rivets, preventing a nut splitter from gaining direct access to the rivet core. Basically, all the security features provided by this lock mean that it provides better protection for your bike than any other folding lock. When you consider the increased plate thickness and improved overall security that the lock provides, it's impressive that it remains portable. What's more, it has more shackle space than other products on this list, giving you more room to secure your bike. When securing bikes with large frames and wheels or more than one bike at the same time, a larger shackle area is advantageous. So if you often find yourself needing to lock your bike up in slightly sketchy areas, this is a brilliant choice. Its pros are: it uses hardened steel plates for ultimate maximum bike protection. It has ultra-strong anti-tamper rivets with the strongest guard system for side attacks. And it offers a silent ride free of noise and rattling. However, like the previous product, it is one of the heaviest folding locks on the market at over 4.5 pounds. The FoldyLock Forever is a powerful companion that will keep your bike safe no matter what. It's ideal for anyone who enjoys city, outdoor, and urban cycling. The second product on this list is the Hiplok Gold. As the name implies, this is a wearable lock you can fit around your hip with its patented carry system. It has the company's proprietary adjustable buckle fastening, which quickly adjusts to comfortably fit the waist while riding without locking to the body. The chain is made of thick hardened steel links, has a 33-inch locking length, and has a padlock with a half-inch thick shackle at the end. This padlock design is where the real innovation begins. There are two major differences between this and the standard padlock. The outer housing is curved like a belt buckle rather than flat. It can only be locked and unlocked with one of three coded and replaceable, if registered, keys, but there is an extension that sticks out past the keyhole. If you want to distill the design down to its core innovation, this is it: a curved exterior padlock with an extension. A simple metal bar connects to the other side of the chain via a plastic latch. The buckle on the other side of the clip has nylon webbing threaded through it, and this webbing bridges the gap between the buckle and the sheath covering the chain's exterior. These minor changes lead to an adjustable belt for waist sizes ranging from 30 to 44 inches, and not requiring a key to wear. Finally, you'll notice the extra 4 pounds around your waist, but it's well balanced and ideal for urban riding and commuting. Its pros are: it's comfortable to wear while cycling around town. It has a reflective exterior that adds safety when the lock is worn and protects the bike frame. And it includes 3 coded and replaceable keys. However, it has no mechanism for securing extra waist strap material. More steel usually means a heavier, more difficult to use lock, but the Hiplok Gold manages to balance the two opposing challenges and creates a convenient and secure urban lock. It's especially useful for those who commute to work daily by bike. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best bike lock is the Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboutit. This unit is by far one of the most popular and well-known bike locks on the market, designed to defeat New York's persistent thieves. It has a 3/4-inch hardened max performance steel shackle and a double deadbolt anti-rotation design that is resistant to bolt cutters and twisting leverage attacks. On top of that, a steel sleeve covers the crossbar for added security. The lock's disc-style cylinder with a center keyway is pick and drill resistant and protected by a vinyl coating. The keyway also has a sliding dust cover to protect the cylinder from dirt and debris when not in use. It comes with 3 stainless steel keys that are ergonomically designed to reduce torque and prevent bending or breaking. One of the keys is equipped with an LED key fob for increased visibility in the dark. This lock is rated 10 out of 10 on standard security scales and is suitable for quick stops in major metropolitan areas as well as all day and overnight on college campuses, suburbs, and rural areas. The combination of these fantastic features, as well as our support programs such as key-safe and anti-theft protection. Like others on this list, this lock weighs nearly 5 pounds but is significantly stronger than the competition. It's also very portable, so you can easily fit into your backpack even if it doesn't come with a mount. Its shackle also allows you to secure both your rear wheel and frame at the same time, which is one of the best ways to secure a bicycle. Lastly, for your peace of mind, this unit comes with an anti-theft protection offer with up to $5,000 reimbursement for 1 year included. This is one tough lock and certainly well worth considering if you want to ensure your new bike is as safe as possible. Its pros are: it has a pass-through crossbar design that includes enhanced anti-rotation features, providing advanced protection against twist and single-cut style attacks. It features hardened double deadbolts that engage both shackle ends, increasing holding power. It uses a patented steel sleeve over crossbar for double security, and it has a sliding dust cover to keep dirt and debris out. However, it has a relatively smaller internal locking area, so it can be hard to attach to things like street lamps. The Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboutit is a bike lock designed to defeat even the most determined professional bike thieves. This is the best bike lock on the market if you want a portable lock that will give you peace of mind while leaving your two-wheeled investment secure. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.